How did this turn out so bad? I can't believe this. My friend Anna asked me how many guys I've hooked up with. Hi guys, and welcome back to my painting studio. The other day I was out of ideas and I was trying to think of things that I could film, and one of my friends suggested that I should do a painting video, and for some reason that struck me as really entertaining. So today I went to the store, I bought a canvas, I bought some acrylic paints, I whipped out my really old paintbrushes and this really gross paint. What is this thing called? I actually don't know what this is called, but either way, it's really old. But we're going to be using that today to paint something fun. I also asked you guys to ask me some questions on Instagram. If you're not following me on there, I'll put it right here so you can get involved in more stuff like this. But I thought I would answer some of your guys' questions while I'm painting. So yeah, let's get straight into this video. I hope you find this entertaining, and we'll see how this turns out. I'm sweating so much right now. None of our air cons are working at the moment because we're supposed to be getting them fixed. And then I'm also wearing like this completely latex apron on top of that. So I'm really not making the best decisions today. I don't really know why I still own this painting easel. I got this when I was like 12. And somehow my family has still not gotten rid of it. Also, credit to my sister for this shirt right now. I know she's gonna kill me when she sees this. But I don't really care. Oh no, I don't think this is supposed to be happening. Ew, why is this paint like chunky? And I'm a bit concerned. I don't know what to paint. Amazing. In terms of questions, I haven't really looked through these and decided which ones I'm going to answer. So I'm just going to kind of scroll through and see what might be interesting to talk about. There's so many questions about whether or not I have a boyfriend. No, I do not. I don't know. I've never really been one of those people that like felt the need to have a boyfriend or really wanted to have a boyfriend. Of course, you get in those moods where like you want to just date somebody or you want to have somebody there. But for me personally, that passes really, really quickly. If I meet somebody that I really like, sure, I'm like down to see where it goes. Oh no. Oh my god. Yeah, that's my love life at the moment. Oh damn it, I made a really ugly color. What are your plans for college and the future? I am definitely going to college. I know a lot of YouTubers skip out on that, but I really want to pursue that, and I think it's a really amazing opportunity to continue learning. I don't know, I'm really excited for college. I'm going to be able to learn exactly what I kind of want to study, and I don't know, it's considered so many people's best parts of their lives, so I don't know, I'm really excited. Oh, these colors are kind of ugly. Somebody, ist dein Deutsch gut? Also mein Deutsch ist okay. Ich würde nicht sagen, dass ich es flüssig sprechen kann, weil mein Vokabel und meine Grammatik nicht so gut ist und ich es nicht mit meinen Eltern zu Hause spreche, aber weil ich es jetzt in der Schule als eine Klasse nehme, wird es jeden Tag besser und besser. Hopefully I said that correctly. If not, that would be embarrassing. Somebody asked me, are you happy with your friends at the moment? I am genuinely so happy with who I've been surrounding myself with recently. I don't really know what I was doing a couple months ago, but I feel like I was really putting effort into the wrong people, and I was pushing away people that actually cared about me. And ever since I realized that, I've become so much closer with the people that I actually like and that, you know, have the same types of views as me and just look at life the same way. And I'm honestly like just in a really good place at the moment.
Okay, but can we just acknowledge, like, what if I had literally just said, like, no? Like, what? No, my friends are kind of annoying.
My friend Anna asked me how many guys I've hooked up with. Oh my god, I'm literally like dripping sweat. Oh my lord. I didn't even realize how much I was sweating. Holy shit, no! I feel like this painting is literally just getting worse and worse and worse by the minute. Do you ever think about quitting YouTube? Ooh. I think I can honestly speak for almost all YouTubers and say that yes, that I have. But in the end, every single time I have like taken a break or not filmed for a while, I've wanted to get back to it because I've gotten new ideas or just kind of gotten more inspired again. So I don't know, I've always come back to it. Who do you hate? I'll text you. I'll DM you. Story time. No, Hannah, I'm not telling the story on the internet, ever. See what I did there? Now I teased you guys and now you want to know what the story is. But, joke's on you. I'm not going to tell it. I don't know what I was thinking.
Okay.
I'm talking about my problems.
Okay. Does the color come off the floor?
Hopefully. I'm going to try and cover this green up and see if that will fix it. Favorite song at the moment. Ooh, I actually made a April playlist that I'm really happy with. I'll link it down below so you guys can go check it out. One song that I've been playing on repeat is 85% by Lute. I think this is a popular song. Like, I think quite a few people have listened to it. But I really like it. I'll play like a little bit of it. Yeah, that's probably my favorite song at the moment. Advice for dealing with girl drama. I think communication is key. I say that to everybody, but I genuinely think talking it out is the best way you're ever going to solve your problems. Because otherwise you're just going to end up talking shit about each other to other people, and that's not going to solve your issue. When was your first kiss? My first kiss was beginning of grade 10, and I had to do it for a play. What annoys you most? When people ... I think when people act like they're better than other people. Oh, that gets on my nerves so much. Like, I'm sorry, you are the same as everybody else. Just because you do certain things or friends with certain people, that does not make you better than anybody else. Like, get a reality check, please. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. I'm gonna tie my hair up. Oh my god. I feel like this painting just keeps getting worse and worse. I honestly should have just done what I was originally gonna do. I was actually gonna paint something nice, and instead, this is what happened. How did this turn out so bad? I can't believe this. Oh my god, there's sweat in my eye. Ow, ow. Do you have a lot of YouTube friends? Please name them. Haha, love you. I actually don't really have that many YouTube friends. I have kind of like talked to people on and off for a long period of time, but time difference makes it really difficult, and I've never really just like put in the effort to like sit down and get to know people and stuff like that, because I never get to see them, anything like that. So not really, honestly. I have heard that a lot of YouTubers are kind of like stuck up and surround themselves completely with social media, so I'm kind of happy that because I put so much time into social media that everybody else that I'm around doesn't really, so I kind of like get an even balance, if that makes sense. This painting makes me look like I'm really angry. Like, I'm really just not happy in life, but I promise you I'm doing fine, actually. Do you go to parties? I mean, if I'm invited. I'm gonna finish up now. That is going to be the end of this video. This is my awful final painting. Thank you guys for sending in the questions. Hopefully you learned a little bit more about me as a person in this video, because I don't really open up on camera very often, but hopefully you guys liked this, and let me know if you'd like to see more. I love you all to the moon and back, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! I love you all to the moon and back, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!